welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sia, and today we are doing a weekly payday routine. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. This week I got paid $2,155. I estimated $2,100, so I'm just going to update that in the tracker. I always put away equal amounts for rent in each paycheck, so that is just something I do not have to worry about by the end of the month. So that'll be $359.50 this paycheck. Then I had Canva for $12.99. I have a minimum payment for my Bank of America card at around $287, and then some adjustments. So I ended up paying for groceries last week, so that'll free me for this week. I will not be responsible for groceries this week. I did put $20 for the wax for this week as I prepare for vacation, and I actually think I'm gonna up that because I think I am going to get my armpits waxed, or maybe at least my legs waxed while I'm there. So I'm gonna up that to about $80. I was gonna put $60, but $80 to be safe. My nails, still gonna leave it at $100. My hair, I'm still going to leave that at $150, though I think it will cost me less because I am going to do it myself. We're gonna hold on that extra payment for the credit cards for right now because other things have come up. I don't think I added this cost into the March budget, and I'll include it for the months going forward, but I do pay for a virtual editor, a video editor, so I am putting my estimated costs for each week. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less, we'll see. And then I had $200 in here for vacation, shopping, and you know what? JLux Label is having a sample sale right now, and I actually wish I went today, but maybe I'll go tomorrow. I think it'll be going on over the weekend as well, but I don't want to miss out on all the good stuff. So I low-key want to up how much I am going to spend for shopping because I want to get all the good stuff. Like if I see what I like, especially since I've been waiting for the sample sale, like I was expecting it to happen in September. It is March. I might, spend a little bit more money there. I'm sorry, no shame in my game today. I'm gonna up that to $300. I'm gonna leave the travel savings and my regular savings as is, delete the buffer. So now the extra credit card payments. I would really love to put extra on my credit card this week, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I mentioned this before, I'm not really sure, but I did go to the doctor a couple of weeks ago or a week or two ago, and because I have these rash on my eyelids. It had just gone away initially when I've been using this ointment, but I stopped using the ointment and it's back. And I do think it's because of some of the old makeup that I have that I'm using. Like I have mascara that's older than it needs to be. I think I accidentally used my old eyeshadow palette rather than my new one because they're almost exactly the same. I'm not sure if my sunscreen is really agreeing with me. And then I'm afraid that my brushes are contaminated with whatever is causing me to get these rashes. So I am going to dump just about everything, almost everything, except for maybe like my foundation and stuff that I don't normally put directly on my face. But other than that, I am going to pretty much dump it. My bronzer is pretty old. It's actually looking a little bit discolored. It's been that way for a little bit. So I do think that it's time for me to get rid of that. My setting powder is not that old, but I do like put my brushes and stuff in there and then put it on my face. So I'm thinking that may be an issue and it's time for me to throw that away, which means I'm about to spend a shit ton of money at Sephora. I just know it. So I'm kind of leaving that buffer for Sephora. I don't want to go too crazy. Like I'm not trying to go too crazy, but I will need the brushes and the other stuff so my makeup can actually look good. Like this look that I have right now is very much not giving like I would like it to, but it's very much like concealer, foundation, one brush that I used, a little bit of the contour stick, and that's it. And no, can't be doing that, cannot be doing that. And then I got these lashes, which let me check because they're actually doing okay. They're doing okay. They're like beside the point, but I just got these lashes from Target the other day to try. This was recommended to me. This new Impress press-on falsies. So I normally do lash strips, but I want to do like the falsies, and I've been wanting to try them myself, like the single or the little I don't even remember what they're called, but they're not the single ones, but they have a few pieces to them that you would put on your lashes. And I was told this would be easy and it'll last for a little bit. It was not that easy to put on, but maybe it's because my very first time. Hopefully that is all, but it looks okay. Like, it looks all right. I don't know how well you can see it. It looks okay. And I'm gonna give it a try for vacation, but I'm gonna take my lash strips with me just in case, because if this is starting to take too long or they're flying off very embarrassingly, then I'm gonna just put it on my strips and we're gonna call it a day. But anyways, with all of that said, I'm gonna delete the $300 that I have here as extra for my credit cards. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have less for my hair. Probably only need about 100, not even 100 for my hair. So we're gonna change that. That leaves me with about $485. And I'm just gonna hold that as like I might spend this money. So I'm gonna put in, I mean, I guess I can go on shopping. I'll just make another shopping budget. Now put in personal care. It's personal care to me, okay? I need it for the times I like to get glam, you know? And wearing it more so for when I shoot videos and stuff. So we're gonna put that 400 here. Sephora is about to get my money. You know, once you walk into Sephora, it's like ka-ching, 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 ka-ching. So we're gonna have to hold on to that. And it's vacation season for me. So, and we'll leave the 85.51 as a buffer. It's vacation season. I'm not gonna stress the credit cards too much right now. If I do have anything left over, then I will, like by my next paycheck, I will just throw that to my credit cards. But until then, your girl's going shopping this week and I'm not mad at it. If you have any recommendations of what I need or what I should try, even though this will probably go up after I do my shopping, still leave some recommendations below, especially that are Black girl friendly, so I can give it a try on my next Sephora run. Lastly, although I do a monthly budget, I just wanted to show you guys, like, to budget effectively, you should be looking at it on a weekly or at least every time you get paid, so that you actually know where your money's going, because things change every day, every week, and you want to make sure you're still on track for that. So the monthly budget is just an estimate, but the weekly will be a better picture. Hi, love.
Hello. Oh, it's still cookies. So.
Thank you. Thank you, love. When I said I wanted cookies, and he brings me cookies. Shout out to my man. So anyways, that is it for the video. If you like the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.